have a crush on him. I really like Nathan.
Okay, I gotta find Hadrian, tell Hadrian to stand in a new place, find Nathan and tell him to stand in the old place Hadrian was standing in.
What if he doesn't like me?
What? Snap out of it! Listen, like I always say,
Don't worry
Maybe he thinks I'm too perky.
about a thing.
Or dance funny.
'Cause every little thing, it's gonna be
Or my
alright.
hair's too poofy.
Don't you worry about a thing.
About a thing.
'Cause every little thing, it's gonna be alright.
All right.
Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Oh, don't worry about a thing.
Sonny.
Dawn, I'm trying to sing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be
Sonny?
alright. Yes, don't worry about a thing.
Sonny.